Hi guys, just a little update on Felix. He's shedding. You could, but yeah, he's shedding. He just ate, and I didn't know he was gonna shed, so I didn't have sphagnum moss. But I have this critter keeper, and I got a paper towel, and I just dampened it. Now he's gonna shed. So that's just a little update on him. He's looking at the camera. Say hi. Hi. And he's gonna be very pretty when he comes out of shed. I thought he was just... He's probably gonna be really light. I don't know. When I got him, it didn't seem like that. It didn't seem like he was even dark, but apparently he was. I'll go back to him later, see the progress he got. But the pig has a new hide. New setup. She's just chowing down on her salad. Zeus, you can kind of see. Yeah, there we go. He's burrowed. And yeah, so this video is mainly gonna be this guy. This ball python right here, because he's my newest boy, and he's a boy. He's a good boy, right, Felix? So here, let's set you guys up so you can watch him shed. Sorry. Oh, that's what I fed him in Petco box. He ate a rat pup, because that's what they had been feeding him at the pet store. So there he is. Go Felix. He's of the coolest animals I've ever seen. All of my pets are really, really cool. I like them a lot. But yeah, so for him to shed, I have a critter keeper that I used to hold 2 scorpions when I came back from the desert. And now I didn't have time to go get sphagnum moss. I couldn't tell if his eyes were cloudy or not, because he's just such a small dude. I don't know. They didn't seem to be changing color, but apparently they were cloudy. And so I wasn't ready with sphagnum moss. So I took this critter keeper. I got a paper towel, I wetted it, and then I put him in there. I didn't actually handle him. It was I put it in there, picked him up super fast to put him in, and he seems to be shedding pretty well. I already see a piece of shed. Hopefully he'll be able to do full sheds eventually. That would be great. But from my eyes view, you can see him really shedding in the back there, like right there. There's a piece of shed. I don't know if you can see that. There's the boy. And right after this, I'm gonna do my care routines on all of my animals. But I mean, I'm gonna do a separate video with the skink, the guinea pig, the snake right now, and I'll finish it off with Henry. But yeah, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you what I named this guy. For those of you that don't already know, this is Felix. I decided his name is Felix. And I just really liked the name Felix. But what I found out, if you're on this channel, you probably watched the video Harry Potter's Coming Your Way, and you also watched me unboxing my Alvan's staff, which I have over there. So in the Half-Blood Prince, apparently, well, I knew about this, but there's a potion called Felix Felicis, and it's a potion of luck. And J.K. Rowling uses a lot of Latin, but I just really like the name Felix. But then when I looked up the name Felix, it means good luck in Latin. So that's why Felix Felicis is a luck potion. So here's my Zoom Ed thing that came with the tank I got at the store. Okay, back to the snake. Alright. So I might want to just do... Oh, so here, this is before. I'm not going to take him out, obviously, because I don't want to stress him. But here's before. Remember this. I'm going to do a video of after shed. Well, this was ball python shedding and updates on the animals. Subscribe, like, comment, and hope you enjoyed. I'm recording this with my Chromebook, but yeah, okay. Don't forget to watch the videos of the care routine on the skink, the guinea pig, the ball python, and Henry. He's out there. Over there. Yeah. But okay. Goodbye.